Hello YouTube gardeners! This week at Southern California Gardening, we are succession planting our spinach. There are 3 varieties that we like to grow. This one right here is the Seaside, and it's by Johnny Seeds. And here is the seed packet information. We're also growing Acadia and Corvair from Johnny Seeds. Here are a couple of rows of the Corvair. The Seaside spinach is going to get planted in this raised bed over here. What do you smell, buddy? And we'll direct sow some also, but we start them under the grow light because we have a huge grub problem. And the grubs really take out the little baby seedlings. So one way to combat that problem is, for instance right here, this was a serrano pepper plant. I just cut it off and left the root system intact. So the grubs will be munching on the root system of the pepper plant until it starts dying off, which will probably be pretty soon. But it gives the plant a nice start on root development in the raised bed, and along with already starting them under the grow lamp, they've got a nice root system started. So I've been pretty successful growing this way in spite of the super hungry grubs. We've done nematode applications and it certainly has helped, but it doesn't eliminate the grubs completely. And we really want to leave the soil intact so that all of the life in the soil is undisturbed as much as possible. Plus, degrubbing one of these beds takes several hours. So we'll just continue doing it in this manner. We've been successful so far. So if it works and we don't have to disturb the soil, then we're gonna go with it. I just noticed out of the corner of my eye some tomatoes hiding under the carrots. I have to get these guys in the sun. Looks like there's still a few vine ripened tomatoes for some delicious BLTs to be had. And someone has been in here enjoying the tomatoes. Look at that. Could be a number of either the possums, the rats. I'm not sure if grasshoppers eat tomatoes, but someone's really chowing down on that one. Do possums eat tomatoes? I know they love insects. Need to get the possums to go through my raised bed and eat all the grub worms. All right, time to get these guys planted. We've already mixed in a bunch of Harvest Supreme H compost, so there's lots of nutrients in the soil for these spinach plants to grow big and delicious. All right, that's it for now. For more short videos on how to grow your own food in Southern California, hit the subscribe button. Up next, we'll be getting in our mustard greens. These are giant red mustard greens. They are so delicious, and we'll be sharing the seed packet information with you. All right, hope you guys enjoy your week and enjoy your garden.